Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Here we have a 2005 Chevrolet SSR in Aqua Blur Metallic on black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the back of the vehicle. Got it all opened up here, as you can see. It's got a tailgate that flips down here. We've got a little kick plate here with the SSR logo. It comes with a car or truck cover here. We've got the cargo net that's on a sliding rail, so the rail can slide forward to hold your cargo in place. We've got the faux wood dress-up kit here in the trunk. So we'll go ahead, we'll put that back in place. We'll close this and we'll pull up the bottom piece here and close that. I'll just step back. So we've got the circular tail lights on the outside there. We've got the dual exhaust in the center with the chrome finishers on each side. Looks great. And we'll just shift around this side here. Very neat color. I'm really liking it. It's got quite the tone to it. It's almost turquoise and almost blue. Very, very neat. So here's your rear wheel. So it's got nice Goodyear tires on there that are in really good shape. Lots of tread, as you can see. We've got nice chrome wheels on there. And we've got the running boards that go along the side. And here we are at the passenger side door. So we've got a pocket down below. We've got the nice brushed aluminum finished handle here with the door release. And then we've got the BOSE stereo speakers there. And here's your SSR kick plate. It's in great shape. On the passenger side, we've got power fore aft, up, down, power recline, and, or excuse me, not recline, that's lumbar support there, and then manual recline and your heated seat. And I'll just show you the condition of the seat. So it's in fair condition, as you can see. Looks great. And on the back, you've got the nice accent here and the brushed aluminum finish, and we've got the wind brake here as well. So as I get in, just have a peek in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's check out the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got a 12-volt socket. There's your RPO codes for anyone that's interested. And no books with this one. And then we've got the airbag for the passenger shut off there. And I think there's a trunk release. I don't know if you can see it. I think that's what that is. No, that's not a trunk release. That one is down there. So perfect, there is a trunk release there. And then we do have a cup holder here, which is still functioning, which is great. And we've got a pocket on that side. And then down here, we've got an additional large cup holder as well. And same thing on the driver's side there as well. So that's great. So we'll just hop out, we'll close this side up. And I'll just start at the back of the vehicle and we'll scan down the side for you so you can see the condition. The vehicle's just landed, so this is how it's come to us. We haven't polished it yet, so it will get fully detailed and polished as well. But great looking vehicle to start. So here's your front wheel, so nice looking chrome wheel. It's in fair condition there, as you can see, and we've got the nice Goodyear tires on there as well. So here we are at the front, we're under the hood. We've got the V8 6-liter motor, which is 390 horsepower, and that's paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And as you can see, it's nice and tidy under there as well. It's even got a color matched piece there on the top of the engine cover. So we'll go ahead, we'll close this up. Have a look from the front. So there it is from the front. We've got the nice gold Chevrolet bow tie with the brushed aluminum finished brow that goes across the front. We've got the circular headlights with the projector halogen lights, and then we've got the fog lights down below as well. We've got our turn signals built into the grille. Looks great. Let's have a look at close. There's a couple little touch-ups here on this side, just so you can see them, and a couple little marks here. Some of those might buff out, but we just want to point them out that they are there for you. And we'll just slide around this side. Here's your other wheel. So it looks great, nice chrome wheel, Goodyear tires, and same thing back here. Awesome. So over at the driver's side, we've got our power mirrors here on the door. Again, nice brushed aluminum finished handle, that BOSE stereo, nice pocket for storage in the door. The door card's in great shape, as you can see. There's your SSR kick plate. And on the driver's side, we do have memory. So we've got 2 user memory, power up, down, 4 aft, power lumbar, manual recline, and heated seat. And I'll just scan up that seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. All right, so we got 2 sets of keys. We've got lock, unlock, trunk, and panic on the key fob. And we'll go ahead, we'll start it up. There it is. So no warning lights, no issues on the dash. Everything looks great there. And we'll just get to the mileage here so I can show you. Let's see, there we are. So 62,979 kilometers, nice and low, no warning lights, no issues there. On this side here, these are the buttons that you'll use to control the information center. As we press that, it cycles through some different options here. So I'll just show you those. Perfect. And this one just changes back between trip info. This one here gives us range, average economy, instant economy, oil life, so that's perfect. And then on the stock here, we do have our cruise control, so that's on, set, in the end, speed up. You press that, there's your wiper control. Down here, we've got automatic headlights, we've got fog lights as well, so we've turned those on. We have our tilt steering wheel, so that's done right here. There's your key start. Here's your radio, so it's a 6-disc in-dash changer. And let's take a look. So band, AM, FM, FM2, and CD and auxiliary. So that's perfect. And then there's your heat and AC controls. And then down below, we do have battery gauge, torque gauge, and outside temp gauge. And there's your automatic shifter. Here's your traction control on and off, power locks, windows, and roof. And let's see, so this opens up like so. Oh, and there's the books. Books are with the vehicle, and there's the wheel lock key as well, so that's great. So that's there, and we'll just go ahead, we'll put the roof up. Just got to put my, oh, I didn't close the trunk correctly, so I'll just go out and close the trunk. There we go. And we'll go ahead, we'll put the top up. I'll just stand out here so you can see. That's down. There we go. And there it is. And then it will put the windows up for us. That's great. And we'll just have a listen here. Nice growl to it. There it is from the front with the lights on. Looks sharp. And we'll just scan down this side. Looks good. Nice deep rumble to it. Looks great with the top up. It's got nice dark tinted windows there on the back. Nice rumble. And there you have it, folks. 2005 Chevrolet SSR. Here and available at MonroeMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.